Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Here we have the second quilt, the one you saw last Wednesday, and I'll show you it right here. It's right here on a beautiful, I think these are called quilt hangers, and it turned out absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It looks really beautiful. I love it with the stitch out on the both ends here. So we have something a little bit different planned for this one because she really wanted to focus stitch out in these beautiful white triangles and the white squares down here. Let me put this up there so you can see the white squares. Okay. Okay. And of course, the beautiful, beautiful embroidery in every single little pocket there, or every little center of the square. So I sent her about, I don't know, 8 or 9 choices of something that stitches out in the square and then something that stitches out in the triangle and the matching. So she liked the daisy button, which was one of my favorites, and actually that's why I put it on. So, and because we still have that little bit of a border at the top and at the bottom, we can do another little like a border stitch out of the same pattern because it was in there as well, or I would have suggested something very similar. So we're going to do that there, and then we'll focus on the triangles. Okay, so let's get started. And Walt has been running absolutely amazing, and it's one of our new threads that she has chosen to have for her stitch out today, and it is the Peacock Purple. It's very, very light purpley pink, and I think it would go absolutely lovely on this project. So the other one was a periwinkle pink, so I like a little bit of a different tone. It's a softer sort of pastel-y sort of color to it. And this is called Daisy Button stitch out. Okay. They're all actually daisy buttons, but they're like whether it's a strip or a block or a square or triangle. Okay. Oh, lovely. Yeah. So this will take a smidgy widgy, and then maybe Pop can fast forward until I get to the triangles. Okay, now we're back to almost the very end. Is stitching up its last little flower. that was pretty awesome to see it in fast motion, being stitched out there. And then I'll come down and I'll show you what we're going to do in the white, but also in the purple. But I didn't set the purple out to stitch out, just the white so far. And it's one of these flowers, and we just kind of place it in a certain way that fills up the little triangle. I love that yellow fabric. It reminds me of like tall grasses and palm leaves and stuff like that. I think it's beautiful. All right, so stitch, stitch, stitch. So it's a little bit of a tail. Okay, and then we're going to come down to over here. Aren't these little stitch outs amazing? Cute little cherries here. And cute little puppy dog with the little bird on his nose and a butterfly right there. And tiny, tiny little flowers. Like, look at those tiny little flowers. And this gorgeous butterfly here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we'll stitch out a daisy in here as well as here. Or sorry, here is a bigger one. So it's the same one here. It's just stretched out to fill that space. And then we'll end up doing here. And then I'll probably end up just doing a stitch in the ditch or close to around here. And then that'll finish off the whole block. So, all right, let's continue here. Let Walt finish doing what he's doing so we can make some progress. Okay. We know that fabric here, speckled. We had a whole little big fat quarter bundle, rainbow bundle. Done lots of things with it. The big seahorse project, a couple of other little things. All right, and then it's going to do the same thing right over here, just a little bit bigger. All right, lock those stitches in. Get a little bit of tail. We'll continue where he's going to go from there. Perfect. Hold the tails as it stitches. I think once it gets it all stitched up, it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. And the thread is totally one of these colors right in here of that tone. It's beautiful. Looks so nice on that white. Stunning. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful quilt. We're locking it, giving ourselves tails to tuck ins, moving over. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Gonna look amazing. I want to thank everybody for watching today and liking and subscribing to our channel. We do greatly appreciate it. We love your little numbers, and that means people are watching and enjoying, and that means a lot to us. And if you have any suggestions, please just leave it in the comments below. We're happy to take feedback and suggestions of what you want to see here at the quilt shop. Some long arming. What do you want to, whatever you would like to see. Okay. So big hugs to you, and we'll see you real soon. And Walt and I are going to just keep plugging away on this gorgeous embroidery project and get them both back to our customer. Makes them happy too. You take care and enjoy the day, and we'll see you real soon.